This is a long shot, but since the president has 2 years left, is he considering a dialogue with the vice president?
Well, the president, I heard him say it many times. No, he is open. He's open to anybody who will reach out to him for dialogue for the sake of the national interest.
Oo. So the president is not closed, in a way, is what you're saying, to actually meeting with the vice president at any point?
He is not. He is not. Sara Duterte remains the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines. And the President is open to dialogue with anyone for the national interest.
Okay.
Ang Pangulo ay open sa lahat ng gustong makipagdialogo. Kahit sino na may concern at maaaring mapag-usapan, hindi lamang ang Vice Presidente, sa lahat. Open ang Pangulo sa anumang discussion para po for the unity sake. Yun po yung ibig sabihin natin. So, kung meron po pagpapahatid na mensahe ang Vice Presidente, siguro po si spokesperson na naman po niya ito dapat na itanong.
Any reaction mo kasi sabi po ni BBM is willing daw po siya makipagdialogo sa inyo para daw po sa ikaunlad ng Pilipinas.
Ora to.
Okay.